Welcome to Learning with Maliha. Today's video is about make traffic light simulator using Arduino. First, we will understand what is Arduino Uno microcontroller. What does an Arduino microcontroller do? A microcontroller, the primary chip which allows you to program the Arduino in order for it to be able to execute commands and make decisions based on various input. In simple words, Arduino is an open source platform that is a combination of hardware and software. Arduino is easily accessible even for those who do not know much about electronics. Arduino boards are simple, a type of microcontroller. They are able to read inputs from the sensors and turn those inputs into output. Let's start our traffic light simulator project. The required components for traffic light simulator projects are 1 Arduino Uno microcontroller, 1 breadboard, 7 jumper wires, 3 220 ohm resistors, red, brown, gold symbols. You will need 3 LEDs for this project, 1 green, yellow and 1 red. Now here are the step-by-step instructions for traffic light simulator project. After following the step-by-step instructions, your project wiring should look like this. Now it's time for coding the project. You will use freeware Arduino environment IDE. First download and install it, then launch it, connect the board to the computer via USB cable, select your board, select your serial port, and finally, write your code and upload the program. So here is the final look of your project. Hope you will find the video useful. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative and fun videos.